Hi y'all, Mr. Oldtimer here. I'm 111 years old and I still make my own video. Today we're gonna fix us up some roast beast. That's right, roast beast in the pan. And we're gonna show you how to do it to where it's the most tasty and you're gonna love it. So come on, let's get busy. Miss V is gonna make you some roast beast right now in just a minute. Let's go, come on, let's go. Learn how to do it, come on. This is Miss V, and she's going to be preparing roast beast today. Take her away.
Okay, first thing you probably need to do is wash your potatoes. Because, excuse me, you're going to have potatoes and carrots in the roast beast. So while the potatoes are draining, take your trusty deerskin knife. Now, I was going to pull a funny on y'all and tell you this was rabbit, but everybody knows rabbits don't come in this small. That's the biggest pot roast we have ever cooked.
That's about double size, isn't it?
That's about twice what we usually cook, so.
Do you have the sprinkles? If we could find it. Okay. Now Tony actually takes the place of salt, really.
There's that pepper and other things in it.
Yeah, have you used this stuff before? Mm-hmm. Oh,
Yes.
there you go. Now this is just regular table salt.
So you don't need much salt.
We just got regular salt, but you know we got the fancy stuff too.
Okay, no. You salt. I got it on both my hands.
Okay.
Let me go wash. You can pepper while I'm washing.
I give up. Where's the pepper?
Beside the pear.
Again,
I like to have everything alphabetical.
we don't hide stuff here. Put a little olive oil on that too, won't you? Cool. I don't think real cooking people ever get anything on their hands or fingers or anything. We've never attempted to document this process before, so we're a little new at this. Vicky will demonstrate a potato, and she will do more.
And put them in water to keep them turning dark.
How big a piece is you doing?
A little bit bigger than mouth size.
Okay. So you get the gist of that.
We'll also be putting carrots in.
This is the carrots.
But we always buy the little baby cut carrots.
Yeah.
So all I'm going to do is rinse those with the potatoes. And then I'm going to salt and pepper them.
Okay, I'm gonna get the grill started, okay?
All right.
We're out here at the old barbecue grill. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna roast this meat up about 500 degrees or so for about, I don't know, 5 or 6 minutes on the side. And then she'll go back into the house. I'm going to tell you something which is the truth. The unending miracle of video never ceases to amaze me. Ow. As we speak, it is in the middle of August in the year of our Lord 2024. And it is hot as the devil here on the outskirts. And it's hot as the dickens on the outskirts of Cowchip, Alabama, where we live. Wow. And, you know, for all I know, this, for you, it may be the year 2031, and you're in Anchorage, Alaska, and freezing. So, this video stuff is crazy. You know, it's not so much about cooking this stuff as it is just about sort of browning it and braising it up and all that kind of stuff. I'm about to take this up and take it back into the kitchen, and Miss V will do the honors with the taters and carrots. And you may say, well, Mr. Oldtimer, what is tater? Tater is a way we say potatoes down here in the South. Yeah. I have to get used to talking on this thing, by the way, because usually I just do a lot of grunting, okay? But now I have to talk. But I don't mind it, because I want to show y'all what we were up to right here. I'm rolling.
So I'm gonna water potatoes and carrots. And what I'm gonna do is I'm salt them a bit. Not too much. Pepper.
I suppose today could rightly be called the Miss V show. Okay, because she's doing most of the action instead of Mr. OT.
Then you get into it with your fingers.
Yeah, the fingers. By the way, pause 1 second. I want to show them something. Probably, you know... Ooh, oh, she got stuff on her hands. She hates that. If you notice this right here, you may have noticed, I don't know. This is pickled okra. Vicky put that up. That's a garden, out of our garden. Yesterday. Pickled okra. And if you're curious, you know, she can pickle something for you and show you how to do it, because it works for pickles too. All right, here you go.
That's commonly known as the dump.
The what?
The dump.
The dump?
You dump it in there.
The dump.
Then try to get as much off of the meat as you can.
I'm going to go ahead and tell them something, since we're telling on ourselves.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You don't know what.
No, I'm going to tell you something for true. When we first got off the boat with old Noah there, you know, he loved to eat, but we didn't know how to cook. We really didn't. So we subsisted off of hamburgers and
skillet dinners
and stuff like that for years. And even after we had the kids, we were too busy working to try to learn how to cook. So the poor things, they never got a square meal. But they're old babies now. Well, now, friends, we know how to cook because we put some time into it, and we've done about every dumb thing you can. So we're down to what works. Okay. All right. I wanted to fess up to you about that, to give you the one reason that you ought to pay attention to what we're telling you. So here we go.
Okay, this is 3 cups of warmed water with 1 bouillon cube in it.
I think she should use 2, but it's not my show.
That's about as much as I dare put in there.
And the oven's warming at 325?
325. Did you take your
Yep.
your heavy duty? And I suggest you get Reynolds wrap, because if you buy the store brand, easily torn. Put it on, put its tiny side down. Crimp it all around. Tuck it under real good.
Hey, grab one of the potatoes. I want to show them. I was thinking about it. We didn't
We didn't tell you what kind of
I didn't tell you what kind of potatoes it was, so.
The pepper got up my nose. These are russets.
Can't really.
Russet.
Russet. Yeah.
Got them at Publix.
Yeah, show them the size. Show them the size.
If you want fresh vegetables, Publix.
If you got a Publix.
Isn't that pretty?
Yeah. So that's the size we did. You did 6 of them, didn't you?
6 of them.
And you saw how she cut them. So 6 of those. You can do little red taters, but me personally, I think russet's the best for this.
Oh, that's heavy.
Into the oven.
Into the oven, and it'll be in there for about 3.5 to 4 hours.
3.5 to 4 hours.
And then when it comes out, it'll be yummy time.
Mm-hmm.
And that pepper's tearing me up.
Okay, so back when it comes out. Let's see what we got going here now. Whoa. Yeah. Oh, yes. All right. We'll leave that to rest a while before we open it up, or does it matter?
We'll go ahead and open it up and just let it rest.
You're gonna burn your fingers. When you do, don't come yowling to me. Wow. Ooh. Wow. Ooh. Look at you. Doggies.
How's that look?
Wow. Yummy. We'll come back and check this out in a little bit, huh? We're back. Okay. Well, I'm carving up the roast beast, you see. And I'm reliably informed that this is chuck. And unfortunately, the stuff is sort of falling apart. So, I don't know. You see what I've been running into here? Yeah. As I said before, we really never knew how to cook this stuff properly, because back a long time ago, say when the kids were home and stuff, we never actually had what you might call tender roast beast. And now look, I mean, I feel kind of bad about that, really. But here's what we're dealing with. We'll put some on the plate in just a minute and come back. We're just waiting on some bread to come out of the toaster oven, and then we'll start chewing. I've got some ketchup and Worcestershire on mine, and Vicky believes that's an abomination because she's a purist, but that's okay because that's the way I like it. Well, okay, we're going to go eat now. You too can make your own roast beast. Did I mention this was chuck? Did I mention that? Yeah, this is chuck, and it is tender and delicious. This is what your brain will tell you. Okay, we'll see you next time, and you never know what we're going to do next. So come back, subscribe, like, do all that stuff. See you then. Toodles. Bye-bye. Hey guys, I just been up here picking a little okra here. Didn't get much today. Just got a couple of rows. And I'm up here at the nongberries, and this is what we call well, it's what I call nongberries. Nobody else does. This is actually a southern grape. It's called a scuppernong. And tomorrow morning, I'm going to come up here and I'm going to decimate this place, and we are going to make scuppernong jelly. And I'm going to bring you right along and show you how to do it. And by the way, that was the best roast beef we have ever made at this house, and I'm not kidding you about that. Also, there's a scrambled egg video. You might check that out. You should. You really should. Scrambled eggs, and next there'll be scuppernongs, and who knows after that. So come on, I'm gonna go down to the house and give these to the person who prepares them. That would be Miss V. All right, talk at you a little later. Toodles poodle. Woof woof.